Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So Eagle One decided to sponsor this video because they're hooking my viewers up with a sale on their all-wheel and tire cleaner, as well as some specialty wheel cleaners that we'll talk about in just a bit. So this is one of my new favorite tire and wheel cleaners because it gets professional results without the hassle, and it also won't break the bank. You're going to be shocked at how inexpensive this is, and now they're hooking my viewers up so you can get the all-wheel and tire cleaner and another one of their specialty wheel cleaners. I mean, this is pretty awesome. The sale is happening in July at your local Advanced Auto Parts store or on their website. So we're gonna, of course, show you this product in action. I'm gonna tell you everything there is to know. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. I know I sure am because I love to give back to my viewers, and Eagle One is helping me achieve that goal by offering a sale for their all-wheel and tire cleaner. Don't worry guys, by the way, I'll include the links and all the information in the description under the video for you guys, of course, to check it out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. But essentially, well, Eagle One's mission has been, of course, to provide innovation in the automotive industry for over 30 years now. And one of their goals is to help you get the job done, get professional results without the hassle, and more importantly, without breaking the bank. And some of you guys have recently recommended this product, the all-wheel and tire cleaner, because it's getting more and more popular on the internet. So I decided to test it out for myself. And well, this is one of my new favorite wheel and tire cleaners because, of course, well, it helps you get that job done in a safe and a very effective way. You get those professional results at home without breaking the bank. You guys love when I'm able to introduce you to brand new products that offer a lot of value. So even during regular times, this is like $7 or $8 US. It will never break your bank. It's one of the less expensive pro level results product that I've found to clean your wheels and tires. So this one here, if we look at the label in the front, it says it has a triple cleaning foam that destroys grease, grime, and brake dust. This is an acid-free formula, by the way, for your finishes. They say it brings back factory black to your tires, and it's safe on all factory coated, clear coated, and factory painted wheels. So let's have a closer look here. This is a new look that Eagle One gave to their bottles, very sleek. And look at this color coordination here. So it's blue and gray, very sleek and modern. And that matches, well, luckily with the blue and gray background of my new cabinets. Okay guys, let's go ahead and do a wheel cleaning demo on my BMW M Performance wheels using the Eagle One all-wheel and tire cleaner. A quick pro tip, always work on wheels that are cool to the touch. That's very important. As you can tell, the wheels are super filthy and dirty, so we're going to take care of that. So pretty simple. Let's go ahead. First start by rinsing. Now let's be very generous with the product. This is a wheel and tire product, so spray it liberally. Very nice, thick and rich foam. I like that. Make sure to spread some in your inner barrels as well. I don't know if you can tell, but it's already getting rid of the dirt and grime. Look at all that grease, dirt, and grime that's being released already in the foam. It seems to be very, very effective already, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so now let's go ahead and scrub the tires. Next, we're going to do the inner barrels. And we're going to finish with the wheel faces. And there you have it, folks. So some nice clean wheel and tires. There's no dirt, grease, or grime left. These are very clean. All that's left now is to dry them and enjoy them. So in a matter of minutes, you're going to get your entire vehicle done. So as you saw, guys, we got professional level results in a matter of no time without any effort. So great results for the Eagle One all-wheel and tire cleaner. Will it make my 2019 Car Detailing Products Awards? Well, stay tuned to find out, of course. So I give this a big thumbs up. You can take advantage of the sale during the entire month of July at your Advanced Auto Parts store, so at your local store, or again on the Advanced Auto Parts website. Again, I'll include the links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out with their specialty wheel cleaners. So they made a couple of different ones. And I can tell you about the description. So this one here is the mag wheel cleaner. They say it's specifically formulated for roughed cast alloy wheels, and it uses a triple cleaning foam to remove rust and oxidation while quickly destroying grease, grime, and brake dust. So that's one of their specialty wheel cleaners. The next one, let's have a focus here, is the PVD and aluminum wheel cleaner. This is a pH neutral cleaner specifically formulated for all PVD and aluminum wheels, including polished and clear coated. It uses a triple cleaning foam to reveal a mirror-like finish while quickly destroying grease, grime, and brake dust. So this is another of their specialty wheel cleaners. And last but not least, we also have, let's have a focus here, the chrome wheel cleaner, which is specifically formulated for chrome plated wheels and wheel covers. It uses a triple cleaning foam to provide a mirror-like finish, while it quickly destroys grease, grime, and brake dust again. And for a future video, you guys let me know if you want to see this, but it's been heavily requested. They have a black and Plasticoat cleaner. It's one of the less expensive cleaning formulas that has an iron remover built in. So let me know if you want to see this in action, because I was blown away by the results. By the way, guys, if you have tested one of these specialty wheel cleaners from Eagle One, why don't you let me know what are your thoughts and your opinions? Drop a comment in the comment section under the video. Again, I want to thank Eagle One for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, show me your support, smash the thumbs up button. Of course, for the ones who are new to my channel, click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll never miss my future videos, especially if you want to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. Also, make sure you hit the notifications icon. That's the bell icon next to the subscribe button. And well, that way, of course, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.